Alrighty, this here be a left moccasin. The other one is the right moccasin, is right here. Anyway, not so bad. Did an okay job. I got these stitches here a little bit tight. You can see the wrinkling around there. We'll work on that with this next one. These are size 11 for my Fred Flintstone feet, but they didn't have a wide, so I had to do a half size bigger. They're not too bad, a little loose in the back, but anyway, I'll shut up and let's get to work. Alright, here we come to a little spot where I need to mark it as the center of my shoe. So what we're going to do is take this little pokey sucker. It's a bead reamer actually. And we're going to put a little hole on both sides of the middle hole that I want to use as a middle hole. That way when we're all done, we'll be able to see where that spot is. And then I already have it marked on here, just in pen, because this is the inside of the shoe. You won't see that. So anyway, back to it. Yeah, some people think this is a waste of tape, but I like it. I mean, realistically, I can just use these things. This is from the right shoe there. I can use these over again. The more tape I put on them, the thicker they get, and can be made, other ones can be made exactly the same. So, but since this is a left shoe, and that was a right shoe, alright, I have these little magic things here. These are quarter circle punches, and they work like this. Make it a little bit easier for me to have nice round corners. And a smaller one. And then I cheat because I don't have one that's small enough for this little corner. So I do kind of half corners. There's one half and There's the other half. Same thing over here. One half. And then the other half. Leaves a little bit of a Sharpie on the end of it, but that's those. Now, somewhere there it is. Alright, no blade sharpener. You want to do this with good sharp blades. Got all my stuff on here. Kind of a chalk-like stuff, I don't know. I have found 10 times to be perfect. And I use, the blades are, they're heavy duty blades that are extra thick. So I can sharpen these things like God knows how many times. And that's that. So these are all cut. These are all look at that, like butter. Like that. And that. I cut out smooth. Look at that. Dink. Alright, now I'm going to use one little guy. There we go. These will go this way, like that. And then like that. That's the bottom, that's the top. There we go. Came right out. Look at that. Yeah, pretty nice. A little messed up, but hey, these ones are mine. These are my practice ones. The new ones, the next ones I make are going to a friend who hooked me up with a bunch of leather a couple years ago. Essentially helped me get started, so he deserves a nice pair of moccasins. But you know, I gotta practice on myself first. Can't mess up. Anyway, there's that. The next video I will show you stitching all of this together. And if you've enjoyed yourself and you're still actually watching, go ahead and give that like button a punch and subscribe if you want. Takes a bit of work to get this stuff done, so subscribes are nice and likes are nice because that good old YouTube algorithm. Anyway, y'all have a good day.